Here are the drain essentials that stop clogs before they start and make cleanup effortless. Number 1. Tub shroom and sink shroom drain protectors. These chrome tub shroom and sink shroom protectors sit inside the drain to catch hair without slowing water flow. No messy surface strainers, no tools to install, and no more surprise clogs. Just lift, clean, and drop back in. Sleek look, serious performance. Number 2. Kitchen Sink Shroom Stainless Steel Sink Strainer. The Kitchen Sink Shroom is a clog-free stainless steel strainer designed to catch food scraps while letting water drain fast. It fits neatly inside the drain, keeps sinks flowing smoothly, and cleans up in seconds. A simple upgrade that makes daily kitchen cleanup easier. Number 3. Stop Shroom Universal Drain Stopper Plug. Stop Shroom is the ultimate universal drain stopper for tubs and sinks. It seals the drain tightly to hold water when you need it, then releases easily when you're done. Flexible, easy to use, and compatible with most drains. Perfect for baths, soaking, or quick sink fills. And number 4, Sink Shroom Clear Drain Protector. This clear sink shroom drain protector blends into the sink while catching hair and debris before clogs form. It's low profile, easy to clean, and perfect when you want protection without changing the look of your sink. Set it once and forget about drain issues.